Hi! Welcome back to my channel, and today samahan niyo ako sa isa na namang vlog na ginawa ko rito during our stay in Sapa, Vietnam. Where we are right now is one of the most popular tourist spots here. This place is called Moana Sapa Cafe. Hindi mabubuo ang itinerary ng isang turista dito kung hindi siya dadaan dito sa lugar na to. Merong entrance fee na 80,000 Vietnamese dong, which is equivalent to 187 pesos, Philippine pesos. Yung entrance fee na yun, meron ng libreng kape doon and unlimited photo sessions dito sa loob na talaga nga namang napakaganda. Ayan, makikita nyo sa background yung Bali-inspired na gate, yung sikat na puting piano, at yan naman yung statwa ni Moana. Tapos na kaming mag-picture-picture kanina, and right now we are just enjoying our coffee on a cold morning. Ayan, iwanan na muna natin yung Moana Cafe, and right now nandito kami ngayon sa Sun World. Ang Sun World nga pala ang unang station na bababaan ninyo kung aakyat kayo ng Fancy Pan Summit. Akala ko noon isa siyang malaking theme park. Mali pala ako. Ito palang Sun World na to, isa siyang village na merong mga nakatirang mga locals.
When visiting the White Thai people in Batmay, travelers can immerse themselves in the festive atmosphere, participating in lively folk dance performances and vibrant circle dances. These experiences are sure to leave a lasting impression on the heart of visitors.
Ito nga pala yung funicular train na sasakyan ninyo paakyat dito sa Sun World. At hindi rin talaga yan mawawala sa mga listahan ng things to do when you are here in Sapa, Vietnam. And maraming salamat nga pala sa panonood sa video na to. At kung okay lang naman sa'yo, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like and notification bell for more videos like this in the future. Again, thanks sa panonood. See you on my next video.